Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I like cooking Mexican recipes, and I'm sorry if I took a long time to upload a new recipe. I just been so busy with the kids and their distant learning. So today I will be making something simple but very delicious. It's queso fundido with chorizo, so I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Okay, so here I have about a pound of chorizo and a pound of Oaxaca cheese. This is the perfect cheese for the queso fundido. So and then I also have 2 cloves of garlic and onion. I will only be using half of onion. If you want to use the whole thing, it's up to you, but this one is pretty big, so I'm only going to use about half of it. And then also make sure that you have like for example, I have this one right here. This is the one I will be using, but anything that goes in the oven works well. Okay, so first I'm gonna put the onion and the garlic in. I'm gonna cook it for a little bit. Don't let it get burned or overcooked, just a little bit, and then throw in the chorizo. Okay, so here I already put the chorizo in, and I'm just gonna brown it a little bit, not too much because it's still gonna go in the oven. And also make sure you turn on the oven so it can start preheating to 425. You're gonna leave it for about 20 minutes or less, depending on how your cheese is looking. But I already have it set so that as soon as it's done, I can go ahead and layer everything up. Also, you're gonna shred your cheese. So the chorizo's ready, and before we turn it off, I will add some pepper and a little bit of salt because the chorizo sometimes is pretty salty, but I'm not putting a lot. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so first we are gonna put some cheese. Not too much because remember we're gonna layer everything. Okay, so that's the first layer, and then add more. Okay, you're gonna add the rest of the cheese, and then at the very top you're gonna add whatever's left over from the chorizo. And then it's gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes at 425 degrees. That's it. We layered everything up, and then it's ready to be put in the oven. So that's it. This is how the queso fundido looks like. It looks delicious. I will give it a try right now to see how it is. So I did go ahead and just got some with my tostada chips, and then let's give it a try. Full of flavor. Guys, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's very easy to make and delicious. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.